सोच बदलो, खुद को बदलो, दुनिया बदलो has been my motto as I build Modicare. My promise to all Modicarians has always been the Samir Modi Azadi plan will change when the company is able to put more money in your pocket. So this October, the Samir Modi Azadi plan is becoming unlimited with 5 levels of changes. Number 1, to become a first-time director has become easier by 33%. Number 2, और भी ज़्यादा रोकड़ा for directors as we introduce the 4% directors pool for first-time PAT directors. Number 3, बेहतरीन bonuses for SDs and above by 14% leadership pool being created for SDs and above. Number 4, stability by earning bigger checks as we have introduced a new LPVV that with PGBV and depth you will get better bonuses. Number 5, Udan to Crorepati has become better by introducing the Atut Bandhan pool of 2% for all leadership. So join us in spreading happiness, join us to make Crorepatis, join us to spread Rokra. With that, the Samir Modi Azadi plan has become better, better, better. That means the sky is the limit for the amount of money you can earn, sky is the limit for titles, and sky is the limit for happiness. So let's get going, let's build the business, and let's spread the Samir Modi Azadi plan unlimited, which is the best plan in the industry today. Namaste.